Neutro.
Okay, to start the Exmark Lawnmower, the gear on, actually both gears should be in neutral on both sides. If you're facing the machine, it's gonna be the gear on your left where it shows a rabbit. That's where you want that gear, and on the right side, it should also be in neutral, as you see here.
Allí prende.
Okay, so now all you have to do is pull the cord, and the lawnmower will start.
Ahí va a prender.
Once the lawnmower has started, you need to put that gear on the left in the middle. It should be exactly in the middle.
Y ahí ya está lista para trabajar.
And now it's ready for you to start cutting your lawn.
Pues baja
and then
abajo.
You lower the other gear all the way down to the bottom.
Hasta ahí. Hasta que él vea que...
Mueva tu mano y así ellos pueden ver.
Hasta que aquella palanca se movió.
You move it all the way down to 1 until you see that gear in the little box start to move. When you see that gear move, you know that you've successfully placed the gear in the proper
Ahí está.
gear.
Ahora está lista para caminar.
Okay, so now it's ready to self-propel because it is a self-propelling lawnmower.
¿Ya?
Yes.
Lo voy a traer otra vez al neutro.
Okay, so now we're going to start again. So we're going to bring this gear up to neutral and start it again. Okay, and so you see, to turn off the Exmark Lawnmower, you simply lift this lever to neutral and you raise the other lever all the way up to the top, and that's how you
stop.
And that's how you stop. I mean, it says stop right there, and that's how you stop the mower once it's already turned on. ¿Y le puedes explicar cómo mueve esas barras para que cuando está caminando solita?
Esta barra solo es para que comience a avanzar. Después que lo pone en el 1, eso sirve para que camine la máquina.
Okay, this bar is you only use it so that it will start. And once you've placed it in 1, once you place this gear in position 1, then you lift that same bar, so that it will self-propel. So if you have any questions.
Y este es para que agarre el blade. Para que la cuchilla comience a trabajar. Este lo mueve hasta abajo, y lo suelta y ya.
Okay.
Esta de arriba,
Okay, this bar. Toca la barra. Okay, this bar is for. ¿Para qué es esa barra?
Esta es para que prendan las blades.
Okay. This bar is so that the blade will start. You'll turn on the blade.
Si lo suelta, la blade se va a apagar.
And if you let it go, then the blade's going to stop cutting.
Pero tiene que hacerlo así y después empujar y lo suelta y ya la cuchilla está prendida. Pero si se lo suelta, se apaga.
Okay, so if you let that bar go, the blade isn't going to keep cutting. So that other bar is just
Eso es todo.
just to start the blade setting. And that's all. If you have any questions, we listed our information, and so you can give us a call.